Welcome to all of you in Teaching Junction channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to generate this bar chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's start this tutorial. Before starting this tutorial, firstly let's look at this data. I have two data set and separate method is used to generate bar graph from this data set. For example, in this data set you can see here that the x-axis values are in the form of text. So you can simply generate this graph by selecting this data. While in this dataset you can see here that the x-axis values are in the form of whole number, so you use certain tricks to generate graph from this set of data. We will learn both methods. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, as I earlier explained, that you can easily generate graph from this dataset. For that purpose, simply select this data, go to insert, and in chart section you can select bar chart, this simple clustered bar chart, and this graph is generated. The conditional formatting will be explained later. For time being, I remove this one and generate graph from this data. When you will generate graph from this data set, you don't need to select this data. Simply go to insert tab, and from here you will insert a blank chart, blank bar chart. You can see here the blank chart is inserted now. Now you will right click, and after right clicking you will find the option of select data. Simply click on it, and in legend entry you will find the option of add. Firstly, write series name here manually, or you can simply select this cell. Now in series values, remove already entered data and select y-axis values. Now I have selected this one. Simply click on OK, and but you can see here that the instead of years numbers are appeared 1 2 3 4. So I will click on this edit option and select these years, click on OK, and again OK. Now there are different options available for the formatting of this graph. There are quick layout available. You can use anyone, this one. Additionally, you can also change their color by using these color schemes. So I will start formatting. Firstly, go to this plus sign, and firstly I will remove grid lines. I want data labels, so I will check this option. Data labels will be appeared along with bars, and I want access titles, so I will check this option. Now select title, put equal sign in formula bar, and select title containing cell. You can manually write here if you have not cell that contain this one, so you can manually edit it. Go to home and change their font size and color according to your requirement. Now select these titles, and you can simply put equal in formula bar, select cell and press enter, and you can change their font size, color. Secondly, if you want to manually add axis title, select this one and double click here. I will write year, and copy format this one by selecting this one and click on format painter, and again click on here. It will be formatted like this one. Now select these values, right click, go to format axis, and firstly I want to insert tick marks. So you can see here in axis option you will find the option of tick marks, and you will select either outside or inside or cross. I will select outside, both major and minor tick marks. Now go to fill and line option, and here I want solid line, already selected. Now I will change its color to black and change its width to 1.5 pt. Additionally, you can also change these years format By using this option, I will change it to 12 with black color. Now I will select this axis, and again I will select solid line, black color, 1.5 pt, and in this option, axis option, I will select tick marks on outside. Additionally, if you want to spare some space here, you can change its maximum value to 60,000. For that purpose, you scroll up, and here instead of 70,000, I will write maximum value as 60,000. Now I will close this one, select this one, and format painter option, click on here. These axes will be formatted like this one. Now select data labels and change it to 12. 10 is fine, I think. Change its color to black. Now I will select these bars, right click, go to format data series, and in series option change gap width to 100. It is currently 182. Now select these bars, and in fill and line option you can change their color. For example, I can choose red one, and you can insert a border around these. For example, I want to insert solid line, black color is already inserted, and width is fine, which is 0.75 pt. So you can see here that we have successfully completed the formatting of this graph. Now you can place it anywhere, and you can change its size using these options. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.